Struggling to message multiple friends on Pinterest? Learn how to create a group chat in under a minute. I will walk you through each step, from opening the app to sending your first group message. And I want you to know, everything you are about to see is based directly on the actual Pinterest interface, so you can follow along with total confidence. All right, let us start. Go ahead and open Pinterest on your phone. The app is what we are working with here, so open it up and get to your home feed. Now, you might be tempted to start searching for a board or a pin, but we are going in a different direction today. We are heading straight for the conversation area. Look at the very bottom of your screen. You will see a little speech bubble icon. That is your messages icon. Go ahead and tap it. This opens up your inbox. If you have never messaged anyone on Pinterest before, this screen will probably look pretty empty. But that is about to change. In the top right corner of that messages screen, you will see a little pencil and paper icon. Tap that, and that is your button to create a new message. It opens a fresh, clean slate. Here is where the magic starts. You will see a search bar at the top that says Search for People. Tap on it. Now, start typing the name of the person you want to add to the group. It does not have to be their exact full name. Pinterest will offer suggestions as you type, so just type whatever you know them by. When the right profile pops up, tap on their name. You will see a little check mark appear next to them. That means they have been selected. But we are making a group, remember? So do not hit Next just yet. Go back up to that search bar. Type in the name of your second person. Again, tap their name when they appear. You will see the check mark. Now add a third person, maybe a fourth. Just keep searching and tapping. You can literally add as many people as you need. It is that easy. Now, take a moment. Look at the top of the screen. You will see a list of everyone you have selected. Their profile pictures should all be lined up. This is your chance to double check. Did you accidentally add the wrong person? Just tap the little X next to their name to remove them. It is very forgiving. Once you are happy with the group, tap the blue Next button in the top right corner. This takes you to the message composer, and this is where you actually start the conversation. Pin your message. What do you want to say? Maybe it is, "Hey everyone, check out this board I made," or "Who wants to plan the trip together?" Type whatever you want in that text field at the bottom. You have a full keyboard. You can even add emojis if you want to. Make it fun. When your message is ready, tap the Send button. It is usually a paper airplane icon. And just like that, your group chat is live. Everyone you selected will get a notification. They can reply right in that same thread. You have just created a full-on collaborative space inside Pinterest. And here is the thing. This works exactly the same way every single time. Now that you know the flow, you can pull together a group for any project or any idea in seconds. No more sending individual messages and trying to keep track of 5 different conversations. You have got one thread with everyone in it. So go ahead and give it a try. Open Pinterest, tap that pencil icon, and build your group. It really is that simple. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.